So I was talking to somebody about n8n and they didn't know this about using the n8n website and the n8n platform. So I just wanted to share this with you as a tip in case it helps you out. So the first part is that I'm absolutely loving Tavily at the moment. Tavily is an integration that will basically help you with web searches. And it is a great integration to have in your workflows. And I was talking to somebody about Tavily and how they could use it because they are looking to do local research for things like local news articles. And I was suggesting they use this instead of trying to pull from just RSS feeds and things like that. But what they didn't know is you can go onto the n8n website, you can go down to integrations. In fact, all I did was I searched Tavily and n8n and came straight to this page. But you can do it one of two ways. And what this does is it gives you information about the actual integration itself. So if you've heard of integration but you want to learn more about it, you can come onto the n8n website. It will tell you a little bit about it. Okay, you can click this button here and get to know Tavily a little bit more. So you can open up this web page here and it will take you through to Tavily and you can learn exactly how to use it and what it is. But what it also does, which this person found really useful information, which is what I want to share with you, is quite often when we're using these integrations, we think about them from sort of one point of view, which is the problem that we're trying to solve, when actually there's multiple ways that we could be using this integration, and it'd actually be useful for our business or our clients. And just seeing what other people are doing with these integrations can kind of inspire us and give us other ways that we could solve problems or other ways we can help our business or help our clients. So by scrolling down, what you end up doing is it actually tells you ways that you can use Tavily or whichever other integration you're taking a look at, and you can actually look into all of these different examples of n8n workflows that people have built and decide if you want to do exactly the same thing. So you get sort of the workflow here, and these majority of them on n8n for the workflows are free, and you can go in and you can take a look at this, see what it does, and then you can download it and then you can edit it as well. So one of the things I do is I would upload this to Claude. I tell Claude the edits I want it to do, download the JSON again, and then get it into n8n. And that just helps save me a ton of time. But you can see exactly how this is being used, as well as looking at the other templates that we saw. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea of how you could use this integrations tab in order to give you some inspiration, and in order to get the most out of all of those integrations that you could be using on n8n. Now, if you click this video here, you can learn a little bit more about how to use Claude when it's in combination with n8n. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.